Starting around 25 November 2023, Jasmy coin sort of is exchanging at $0.0052 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, or so they sort of thought. Jasmy certainly has a very complete market cap of $256,819,233, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $47,400,437 in an essentially huge manner. This sort of makes Jasmy kind of positioning at 148 in the digital money market, or so they fundamentally thought. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin in every practical sense be for the most part worth in 2023 in a fundamentally enormous manner? Is Jasmy coin a for the most part wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Jasmy cost generally outperform its unsurpassed height, which for the most part is genuinely huge? These explicitly are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in a really significant manner. Jasmy value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost in a real sense is supposed to in every practical sense cross a normal value level of $0.0051. The normal sort of least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to all things considered be $0.0049 in an unobtrusive way. Besides, Jasmy can truly arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest value level of $0.0053, or so they for the most part thought. Jasmy value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin in every practical sense is fundamentally anticipated to by and large arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.0049, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.0051 and an especially least of $0.0045, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin basically is certainly anticipated to fundamentally reach at an especially least worth of $0.0049 in December 2023, which for the most part is very critical. The Jasmy cost could explicitly arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0.0053, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.0051 all through 2023. So Jasmy value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost is supposed to truly cross an especially normal value level of $0.0051. The normal genuinely least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the especially current year ought to really be $0.0049, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin kind of past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto fundamentally has been truly diminished by 0.33% in its sort of current worth, showing how Jasmy value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin sort of is generally anticipated to basically arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.0049, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.0051 and an in every way that really matters least of $0.0045, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Assuming we by and large look at the genuinely current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in an especially enormous manner. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Jasmy truly was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 12.15%, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin especially has shown most areas of strength for certainly potential recently, and this could be generally excellent chance to dive right in and contribute genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy fundamentally diminished by 24.173%, taking out an astounding truly normal amount of $0.0017 from its by and large current worth in an in every way that really matters significant way. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge of the present time implying that it can for the most part be a great by and large purchase and open door for certainly fast speculation. So Jasmy especially has in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $256,819,233 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $47,400,437, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 0.77%. And the cost flowed from an in every practical sense, least certainly normal cost of $0.0049 to greatest especially normal cost of $0.0054 in the in every practical sense, recent days, which generally is genuinely huge. In most recent 4 months Jasmy coin generally has shown a developing pattern, so Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin sort of is in every practical sense, anticipated to generally arrive at an in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.0049, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.0051 and a very least of $0.0045. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Subsequently, we generally believe that comparative pieces of the market basically were very famous at that period in a quite large manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin especially is expanded from 4 months, extremely further appearance how these in every way that really matters are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, which explicitly is very critical. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, or so they explicitly thought. The coin basically is up by 30.72%, with the greatest normal cost of the coin certainly was around $0.0031, and the least extremely normal cost of truly was around $0.0030 in by and large beyond 4 months, which most certainly shows that Jasmy generally has a complete market cap of $256,819,233 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $47,400,437 in a significant manner. Jasmy coin value gauge 2023 facts. What will for the most part be Jasmy coin especially worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The Jasmy cost truly is gauged to basically arrive at a very most extreme degree of $0.0053, with really least cost of $0.0049 toward the finish of 2023 in an especially large manner. Does Jasmy coin generally have a future, which sort of is genuinely huge? As far as value, Jasmy coin basically has a remarkable fundamentally potential to by and large arrive at new levels, so the 90 days cost change for the most part is near 0.77%, and the cost in a real sense flowed from a for the most part least extremely normal cost of $0.0049 to truly greatest all things considered, normal cost of $0.0054 in the beyond 90 days, or so they in a real sense thought. It essentially is figure that Jasmy